The newest Caesars property here in the US. Is it worth it? Today we will be rating Caesars New Orleans according to these categories. Number 1, check-in. Are the staff ready and well-trained for the incoming visitors? Number 2, it's a new room. Will it be fancy or just ordinary? Number 3, amenities. Will our resort fee be worth it? Number 4, food. NOLA has really good food. Will it be enough for the guests? And lastly, we're gonna bet $100 to see if we will have a delicious, sumptuous dinner or we will drink our sorrows away. Are you ready to see Caesars New Orleans? And off we go! Hi! Yes, I'm checking in. It just opened last week.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have a grand opening?
Taylor Swift was kind of our grand opening. I actually have you staying at our Paris Tower. If you'd like, you can upgrade for a charge $40 for the night to upgrade to here.
Hell yeah!
Yeah, let's do it. There's going to be a $22 a night resort fee. We'll bring you to New Orleans.
Well, it's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday! My mom makes the best Cajun food.
Check-in is not till 4 p.m. but it's okay. They showed me the business center to work. But it was so boring, so I went to the lobby and
They don't have Wi-Fi on their lobby set up yet. And they charged me an extra $15 for the early check-in. I think they're already getting a lot of my money. Let's see if we'll win that back later at the casino.
5 stars for Shelby. She did amazing as her first job after college. But 4 stars for not having Wi-Fi.
10th floor.
Let's check in our room right now. I'm excited to show you this room because we have the Mississippi River view and we have the highest floor. Let's go in. Hello! The room is very, very new. Here's a full-length mirror. Here's the loo. Let's check it out.
Luxury lit mirror, check. Mild scented toiletries, check. They have separate toilet, double ply, bravo. Separate shower,
It's nice and strong.
you can take home these toiletries.
This is our bedroom right here. Don't you think it's beautiful? I like that it's modern and very Caesars, white and gold. It's an open cabinet. There's no hangers. This is a large TV set. I really like it. There's free coffee. You won't see that in Vegas. Free water. There's drawers right here where you could put your stuff. It's actually the refrigerator. Study table. I still don't have Wi-Fi in my room. I don't know if you can hear it, but the air conditioning is pretty loud. Then you have your bed right here. We have a king-size bed. It's time for a bed test. Woo! Wow, there's 5 king-size pillows. Smell test. No smell, very, very clean smell. Smoothness level not there, but I still love it. You have your coffee table while looking at the view. I like the royal blue chair. It's time to see our view. We have the Mississippi River view. That's the aquarium right there. The train view, trolley view. Our neighbor is West End right there.
Love the room, but I paid for early check-in to get a non-working Wi-Fi, 4 stars.
You have a pool?
We do not have a pool,
Okay.
but across the street, the Meridian has day passes to their pool.
Is there a gym?
Yes, there is a gym.
Okay.
It's actually really nice.
Okay,
Yeah.
we have to work out.
I usually follow my room review with a pool review, but they don't have a pool yet. They said they will make one on the rooftop, but they changed their minds because of construction issues. Really not sure about paying for resort fees here.
Workout is done. Time to eat. Nina's. Is it a pizza or a cake? I guess it's both pizza and cake. There's Bobby Flakes right here. We had this before in Caesars. It's only available Friday to Sunday night for their pho. I'm craving for something local. Hi! What's your favorite here?
I eat a lot of gumbo. You try like new stuff.
I trust you on that. Oh, I'm excited. We have Diet Pepsi here. Charge to our room. We can do that.
You are Blackjack?
Yes. You got a chicken wings right here. How is it? Is it southern?
It's good. It's like the Louisiana.
We have a lot of photo together. What are you having?
Gumbo.
Gumbo?
Yeah.
There it is. It's mine. Thank you. We are about to try. I kind of researched about this pattern sausage. It's a brown sausage from Nola Cajun. A patty made out of hot sausage. It's pretty spicy. There are pickles and some vegetables. It's not like gourmet style or anything fancy. This is really good. We do have coffee in the room, but I feel like supporting the new restaurants here.
That thing is familiar. You know that's in Vegas. Yes, there it is.
There are 2 other coffee shops here, but they are closed early. One closes at 12 noon and one closes at 2 p.m. We will see them later as we walk around all over Caesars today because we need to get our 10,000 steps. Right now we have 8,906 steps. My goal today is just hit to 15,000 steps, but we still need to get those steps because we eat a lot. This is just brewed coffee from Bobby's. I've been around here in NOLA and this is such a good location. If you cross to the other street, you're in Cafe Du Monde. Just a recommendation, that is the place to go if you want to go outside of Caesars. But we are doing all Caesars today and that's what we will do. We will keep that promise and see if this place is worth it. I do like to have my black coffee together with my sweets. That's why we are having this pizza cake. S'mores is really my favorite dessert from US, but she said Reese is better, so we will follow her. You know what I mean? The catwalk. It's M&M, there was Reese's, and it's also a cookie.
But I think I prefer the one with the Reese's part and the M&M part. Food was great. I don't think I ever had bad food in New Orleans. 5 stars!
Are you ready to go around and have our 15,000 steps? We're gonna see what Caesars NOLA has to offer. Let's see the rooftop right now actually and see what is there at the rooftop.
We tried, but the thing is still not open now. So it's not gonna work.
I was just told what's in the roof deck, suites, and the Nobu floors, they're still under construction right now. The projection is December, but we already know it's never the case for construction. We still don't know when it's gonna open, so we're back here at the casino floor to check out what's here. It's a Nobu restaurant. I ain't gonna lie, I'm actually traumatized with Nobu for overbilling me the last time. Here's the coffee shop that I was talking about, but they closed 2 p.m. Would have been nice though. Special way to go to Harris, or you you have to cross it?
The hotel?
Yeah.
You can leave out these doors and go to the...
Oh, there's no like special...
They got the tunnel.
Oh, no way! They got a tunnel? Caesars NOLA has 2 towers. One is the Caesars and Nobu, and the other one is Harris. We're now going through the tunnel towards Harris. A lot of ads, I see. Okay, we're outside. This is actually pretty cool. Hi!
Hi.
Chris over there. Was this renovated too, or like this is how it was?
No, this is how it was.
It's beautiful. Ooh, does it roll forever? Wow, I don't have to push it. It does look old from the outside, but really it's not. It's really, really beautiful from inside. This looks amazing. This is the part where we bet $100 to see if we will have fine dining or we will drink our sorrows away. Good luck, everybody! All the good stuff is here. Dragon Link over there is the buffalo. That pig is so fat! It's gonna burst soon!
I know everybody's gonna take all my money.
Should we bet on roulette? This Frankenstein is so huge! One's getting a hand pay. Wow! Were you winning?
I think I am, yeah.
Woo!
I think that's good.
That's good!
That was my first spin.
Woo! It's packed right now. I'm seeing $10, $15, $25 tables over there. Woo! Free spin! Yeah! Did you win 5,000? This is the sports booking section. Very fancy over here. There's an ongoing tournament right now. The poker room is very, very exciting right now. If I lose, this will be dinner. And these are the poker table. I feel like playing poker now. Let's do this 50 play poker. 50 of them there that you're playing with. Go in. Yes. What? Bet with 1. Bet 50. Deal. We're holding this one. This one. Going for spades, okay? Okay. We want flashes. Woo! Win 18, bet 50, so we lost. A deal again. There's a queen. Wish to win a full house. Draw. 2 pair, 3 of a kind. Woo! Oh my god, the win is only 19, but we bet 50. Let's deal again. Deal. Okay, we got a pair here. There's a 4 of a kind. Woo! Finally, we won. 56.50. Now I want more. 2 bets. Diamond, 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 diamond. Kings are better. Not really winning. Come on. Oh my god. Oh, not bad. Oh my god. 98, 100. Oh, we bet 100. Oh wow, there's a joker? What is a joker? Oh, 2 pair. Draw. Okay, that's a lot of win. Woo! Everything's a win. That's a lot. That should win. I want to bet per hand is 3. It's saying 2 pair again. Draw. All of it should be a winner. Woo! Deal. Flashes or 2 pair? I'm gonna go with flashes. Oh my god, there's 1, 2, flush, kings, flush. Okay. I mean, there's not much. Flashes, definitely. Gonna win. Hold, 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 hold. Come on! Oh, that's not much. Wow! We should increase it. There's a joker again. We're gonna go for jacks and better. We're losing right now. What should we do? I do want to have a good dinner though. We've moved on to blackjack and see if we're gonna have our luck here. Just single hand right here with a $3 here. What's going on? It's so fast. I'm gonna play 1 here, 1 here, and then 1 here. We win? Oh, 19. We win. And 2 here, 2 here. Oh shit, that was fast. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. We have 15. Yes, we won. This is a fast game. You have to like decide like this, like this, like this. Try this one now. Betting $1 here, $1 here, and $1 here.
Oh yeah, you got on that one. You got to do that.
Oh.
The bet goes here. These are the side bets.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. Deal. Okay, 18. I'm okay. Stand. I think I like the second single hand choice because it gives you time to decide. We're betting 2 here, then we're betting 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. 5. Hit. 15. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, hit. Oh! $5 here. We got a king and a king at 20. Okay, just 10. He said stand. I got $10. Let's bet that 10 here. Got 9. Queen. Oh, that's a good one. Oh! We're gonna bet 25. 7. Jack, stand.
Yeah.
He just sat down and it was coaching me the whole time, so I won my money. Thank you. I hope you win tonight. Woo! Honestly, I was thinking because they're new, they're gonna get all my money because they want money for their construction. But I've seen people winning, and I won too. So hell yeah!
Subscribe. Any salt, crushed black pepper, hot sauce.
Pepper.